You are earning more than 90% of people, but have you really sit down and think about or calculated how much you will spend in retirement without adjusting for lifestyle inflation on top of your 3, 4, 5% inflation? Your future self could be shot by a few hundred of thousands or even millions. So the thing is, smart professionals don't just ask how much do I need to retire. They also ask how much can I sustainably withdraw each year without running out. And the good news is you can use this AI advisor tool to really map out your entire withdrawal strategy in your retirement years. It is fast, it's convenient at your fingertips, yet it's powerful enough to help you plan more complex or more detailed financial scenarios for retirement, because it not only checks if there's any potential issues that you're not aware of, but it also gives you recommendations on how to do better. And yes, I created this AI advisory come calculator tool to really construct and analyze even more detailed, more complex retirement plans and roadmaps for my one-on-one clients. And it could even show you a visual of your entire retirement fund over time. Comment retire and I'll send you a light version of this tool for you to use free of charge, so you can instantly build a plan for sustainable retirement spending each year without running out.